Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to unboxing this the 25th anniversary Magnum specials. Okay, and this one, the item number is 95126. Okay, so we're gonna open this box and see what's inside. Okay, and in the end, there is also the scoreboard. Don't miss that. All right, let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body for this Magnum is the polycarbonate body, and this is the sticker. Okay, and it looks very good because for myself, I do collect all type of the poly body. So this is the new one, so I'm really exciting to have this one. All right, so next will be the chassis. So it's a TZX chassis, and over here it has says like the 25, the fully Cal Mini 4-wheel drive, the anniversary chassis. All right, and also, and on the side here is a TZX chassis, a Super TZX. Okay, and this one is ABS chassis. Okay, and the parts is color white. Okay, and this is the rear plate, medium soft tire, and medium 6-spoke wheels. And for this kind of a wheels, if you can check over here, if you can see on the top, there's a there's special design there. People says if you're using this kind of the wheels, then you don't have to have the spacers put it between the wheels and the bearings. But for myself, I think I'm still gonna put the spacer just in case. Okay, and the gear ratio 3.5 high-speed gear and the regular pin gear. Okay, and this is the mounting kit for the poly body. All right, so this is everything for this car. So let's check what's the score this car get. Okay, let's go. Okay, so for this chassis, I give them 0.5. So it's a ABS chassis, and the body is polycarbonate, so it's a 1. High-speed gear 3.5, 1, and the wheel is medium-size regular wheels, 0.5, and the tire is soft tire, 0.5, and the other 0.5 is first, the chassis has it's a special design. There's a bottom, at the bottom it has a letters, and also the body is special design. There's the first Magnum body, so I give them 0.5 for this car. So the total score for this is 4 over 5. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.